The 5.2-liter DOHC V8, known as the Voodoo engine, is one of the most unique, naturally aspirated engines ever installed in the Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. Developed by Ford Motor Company and produced between 2015 and 2020, this engine was designed specifically for high-performance track driving. It features a flat-plane crankshaft, a rare design for American V8s that allows the engine to rev extremely high, up to about 8,250 RPM, while producing over 520 horsepower. The Voodoo delivers exceptional throttle response and an exotic sound that resembles European racing engines. However, this advanced design also introduced several reliability concerns and maintenance challenges that owners should understand. One of the most frequently reported issues with the Voodoo engine is higher than expected oil consumption. Because the engine operates at very high RPM and uses a performance-oriented internal design, it naturally consumes more oil than typical street engines. In some cases, worn piston rings or problems with the crankcase ventilation system can worsen the issue, causing oil levels to drop quickly between service intervals. Owners often report needing to check and top off the oil frequently, especially if the car is driven aggressively or used on track days. Ignoring oil level monitoring can lead to serious engine damage. Perhaps the most alarming issue associated with the Voodoo engine is the risk of catastrophic crankshaft bearing failure. This problem has been reported most often in early production models from 2016 and 2017. When bearing wear occurs, it can lead to knocking noises, loss of oil pressure, and eventually complete engine failure. In severe cases, the damage requires a full engine replacement. While not every engine experiences this problem, the possibility has been widely discussed among enthusiasts and mechanics familiar with the platform. Another reliability concern involves the lubrication system. Failures of the oil pump or problems related to the oil filter, particularly in early model years, can result in dangerously low oil pressure. Since the Voodoo engine relies heavily on consistent lubrication at high RPM, even a short period of low oil pressure can cause internal damage to bearings, camshafts, and other critical components. Regular maintenance, correct oil specifications, and careful monitoring of warning lights are essential to prevent serious failures. Some owners and service reports have pointed to issues with timing chain tensioners. These components keep the timing chain properly tensioned and synchronized with the engine's camshafts. If a tensioner fails or loses pressure, the timing chain can loosen, potentially causing incorrect valve timing or internal engine damage. In certain cases, recalls or service bulletins were issued to address related problems in specific production years. Like many modern performance engines from Ford Motor Company, the Voodoo engine uses cam phasers as part of its variable valve timing system. While this technology improves power and efficiency, cam phasers can sometimes wear out or malfunction. When this happens, drivers may hear rattling noises during startup or experience rough engine operation. Although not as widespread as some other issues, cam phaser failures can still require costly repairs if they occur. The Voodoo engine was engineered with track performance in mind, which means it often operates at relatively high temperatures. Under heavy driving conditions, especially during track sessions, cooling systems must work hard to keep temperatures under control. If the cooling system is not functioning perfectly, overheating can occur. Many experienced owners recommend ensuring that the radiator, oil cooler, and coolant system are in excellent condition, particularly for vehicles frequently driven in high-performance environments. The Voodoo 5.2-liter V8 remains one of the most exciting engines ever installed in the Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. Its flat-plane crankshaft design, incredible high RPM capability, and distinctive sound make it a true engineering standout. However, the same characteristics that make the engine thrilling also contribute to its complexity and potential reliability challenges. Excessive oil consumption, possible bearing failures in early models, lubrication system concerns, and high operating temperatures mean that this engine requires attentive maintenance and responsible driving.